House, apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay, bungalow type, with one bedroom and
Minutes
one
ha.
bathroom. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Another day, another unit na naman ang available. Ito po yung bakanting pinapaupahang bahay para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent with one bedroom na pwedeng magtindahan, na pwedeng may pets, na pwedeng mag-park ng sasakyan, vacant and ready for occupancy. Ito po yung house apartment. Yan, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Malapit din po sa highway to. May malapit din pong public school, elementary high school, malapit sa mga mall. Yes guys, mura lang, 5,000 pesos monthly. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back dito sa ating channel. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita. My name is Mark Joseph Pelera, Chair Locator Agent. And for this video, ito naman po yung vacant na house apartment for rent para sa naghahanap ng pinapaupahang bahay. Ito po, mura lang, 5,000 pesos monthly, 1 month advance and 1 month deposit only. One bedroom, bungalow type, and one bathroom. Yes, may sariling metro ng kuryente at may sariling metro ng tubig. Yes, store. Yes, pwedeng magtindahan. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. Yan, malapit sa highway, malapit sa school at market. And just guys, sa mga interested naman, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, pwede nyo po itong puntahan anytime. So, vacant and ready for occupancy, house apartment for rent located in Imus City, Cavite. At abang nyo pala guys, marami pa akong ibang units na i-share sa inyo. Gagawa ko na lang din ng iba pang mga video. But for today's video, eto another unit na naman ang available. Yan, mura lang, 5,000 pesos monthly. Very spacious, malawag yung kanyang sala. Pwede na rin magtindahan, meron din street parking sa harapan pala ng bahay, pwede mag-park ng sasakyan. Good for family, maximum sa 10% only. And yes guys, house apartment na inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Maganda yung bahay at maganda ang location, very affordable and very accessible. Kaya naman sa mga naghanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay, para sa inyo po itong details and information. Ito po yung video nitong house apartment for rent sa Imus City, Cavite. 5,000 pesos monthly, 1 month advance, 1 month deposit only. Bungalow type with one bedroom and one bathroom. Open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. Anytime open for viewing.